Yellow friends, welcome back to Pinch's class. My name is Job Jerem. I am here to take you through one of my favorite subjects, mathematics for P4 and P5 Worksheet 2. I hope you have already done your numbers and are ready to mark yourself. Hey, for those who are joining us for the very first time, you have to first get the worksheets and you do the activities, and then you can come back here and you mark yourself. Hey, getting our worksheets is the easiest. You just contact us on our numbers and email address on your screen. Okay, let's go straight away to the answers. So let's go to number 1. We have number 1A. They have told us to list down members of set T. So we're going to come here and we say set T is equals to the members in set T. We have 5. So we have 5. We have 7. We have 8. We have 9. And also 10. So those are the members in set T. That is number 1A. Then number 1B, they have told us to find number of elements in set T intersection S. So what we're going to do, 1B, we're going to first list members in set T intersection set S. And we shall have, so we have 5 and 7 and 7. So because we have 5 and 7, therefore our number of elements in set T intersection S is going to be 2. Let's go to number 1C. Number 1C, they have told us what is T union S. So when they say what is T union S, in other words, they are telling us to list members in T union S. So we are going to list the members in T union S. So we get all the members from set S to set T together with the intersection part. So we're going to list them. We have 2, we have 3, we have 5, we have 7, we have 8, we have 9, and also 10. So those are the members in T union S. Number 2, we have those digits 1, 7, 6, and 4. And then they have told us to the first part, 2A, form the largest number formed using the above digits. So we are going to look at those numbers that we start from the biggest to the smallest. So we have 7, we have 6, we have 4, and then we have 1. So we have formed the largest number using the above digits. Now 2B, part 2B, they have told us to write the number formed in words. So remember, if you want to write correct words, you have to always indicate the place values, ones, tens, hundreds. Remember, this is not part, hundreds, and then thousands. So the answer is going to be 7,000 7,600 41. So that's it in words. Okay, now let's go to number 2C. Now for 2C, we have what is the value of 4 in the number formed. So remember, we have already seen the place values of the number formed. So we have 7, 6, 4, and 1. So if we are to get the place the value of 4, it's going to be 10 times 4, and the answer is going to be 40. So that is the value of 4 in the number formed. Number 3. Number 3, we have that figure there, and they have told us to calculate the distance around the figure. Now when they tell you to calculate the distance, it means you're finding the perimeter, and since it is a rectangle, so perimeter of a rectangle is equal to side plus side plus side plus side. If you don't use that, you can use length plus width plus length plus width. So this is going to give us, our length is 6 centimeters, 6 centimeters, plus our width, which is 4 centimeters. So plus 6 centimeters plus 4 centimeters. Now this one is going to give us 20 centimeters. There is another method of doing this. Instead of saying perimeter is equal to s plus s, you can just put 2 into length plus width, and this is going to give us 2 into 6 plus 4, which is the same as 2 into 10, and this gives us 20 centimeters. Let's go to number 4. Number 4. Now this one is the easiest. You just get the fraction of 3 out of 7 minus 2 out of 7. Now since they have the same denominator, it means we just subtract the numerators. 3 minus 2, which is 1, and that is going to be the answer. Let's go to number 5. Number 5, they have told us to share 48 sweets among 4 boys. So we can use long division here. 48, and then our boys are 4. So 4 boys. So 4 divided by 4 is going to be 1. 1 times 4. This is 1 times 4. It will give us 4. And then when we subtract, this is going to be 0. And then we bring the 8 down. When we bring the 8 down, 8 divided by 4 is going to be 2, and 2 times 4 is going to give us 8, and this one will be 0. So that means each child gets 12 sweets. 12 sweets. Let's go to number 6. Number 6. Now, for number 6, we are supposed to change this Roman numeral to Hindu Arabic. Now, when you see this Roman numeral, we have this XL. XL is the same as 40. Think you can see that this is 50, this is 10. So when you subtract, you get 40. Then IV is the same as 4. That means XLIV is going to be 44. Let's go to number 7. Number 7. Number 7, we have that number. We have to find the next number in the sequences. So we have 5, we have 9, we have 13, and there is a missing number. So first of all, what have they done to 5 to get 9? They have added 4. Then this one, they have added still 4. So we are also going to add 4, and our answer is going to be 17. Number 8. We have that number, and we're supposed to find the place value of 3 in the number 4, 5, 8, and then 3. So we have that number. Now we still remember, we have to first show the place values of all the numbers up. That helps us to get the correct answer. So 3 is in ones, therefore the place value of 3 is going to be ones. Number 9. Number 9, how many minutes are in 5 hours? So we know that 1 hour has 60 minutes. Yes. Then what about 5 hours? They're going to be 5 times 60 minutes. And this is going to give us, 300 minutes. And that's the answer. Number 10. Lure bought a shirt at that amount, 88,500, and sold it at 10,000. What was his profit? So we know very well that profit is equals to selling price minus buying price. Buying price. So that means we are going to get the selling price, which is 10,000, and we subtract it with the buying price, which is 8,500. And our answer is going to be 0, 0. This is 5, and then this is 1. So these are going to be shillings. Remember, we said when the shillings are starting, they have to be in short, and when they are ending, they have to be in full. Let's go to number 11A. 11A. So number 11A, they're in a class of 40 pupils. 3 out of 5 are boys and the rest are girls. Find a fraction of the girls in the fraction. Now in this case, we know that a class has a full fraction of 5 out of 5, which is the same as 1, right? Then we are going to subtract the fraction of boys in the class. So this will give us 2 out of 5. So that is the fraction for girls. Now we are going to find the number of boys in the class. That is 11B. Now this one is easy. Why? Because we already have the fraction of boys and we have the total number of students in the class. So what we do, we just get the fraction of boys times the total number of boys in the class. So as you know this, we get a common factor, which is 5, and so we divide 5 by 5. This is going to be 1, and this one 5 by 5 is going to be 8, and therefore 3 times 8 is going to be 24, and 1 times 1 is going to be 1. Of course, even if we don't put it out of 1, this shows us that these are number of boys. That's it for mathematics subject P4 and P5 worksheet 2. We hope to hear from you. You can reach us on our different social media platforms on your screen. All of them start with Pinch's Class. And for those who have got some corrections to do, please endeavor to do the corrections. We meet in our next video, and for now we're saying bye bye.